Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can create enemy in the CapCut apps. Okay, basically it's super simple, but maybe there are some of you who don't know, especially those who are new to using CapCut. So prepare your photo and add to your project, and then select effect, select photo effect. So you can find the enemy option. Just select GB enemy, dreamy enemy, cat, muscle meat, or etc. For example, generating. As you can see, just click check mark after if you are done. That's it. Right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.